Hi guys, so this week we are discussing what Team 16 is doing for EEE488 Senior Design. We are doing the Solar District Cup, the inaugural competition. What that means is we are designing solar collection for a university. That university is Ball State in Muncie, Indiana. My name is Jamie Williams and I am doing the conceptual system design. We have about 29 acres for a field installation and about 15 buildings that we can put panels on top of. We just gained access to Aurora, the software that allows us to physically place panels and design the system this week. So we are playing some catch up, and that's all I have. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Trent Molesworth and I'm part of the Solar District Cup design team. And my part that I've been assigned to is the distribution system impact analysis. There are basically two parts to this analysis. The first part is a descriptive approach to the power flow model, and that basically means is we need to look at the grid and analyze what changes are being made on our design as we implement the solar panels to our square of Ball State University. And the second part to this is we're going to model this power flow model in some software called OpenDSS software, and that is basically a comprehensive electrical power system simulation that electrical utilities and we can learn about the power distribution system from. And after creating the design, it's going to be important for us to look at the power flow model and see that our design meets all the codes and regulations of Muncie, Indiana, which is where Ball State University is. And we'll use that power flow model to kind of gauge where we're at. And we were given a load profile from Ball State University, and we could see kind of how the power was used every 15 minutes. And after looking at that and going over that, I've been able to check and see where our solar will go into, and we'll be able to add that in to the descriptive power approach so we can see where our model goes from there.
Hello, my name is Anastasia Muir, and I'm working to create the development plan that we will use for the Solar District Cup. I'll be working closely with Jamie and using the conceptual system design to coordinate with the authority having jurisdiction over the project, which in this case is the city of Muncie, Indiana. There are two main components to the development plan. The first is ensuring we have the appropriate zoning, acquire any necessary permits, and that we follow the building and fire codes for the area. The second component is analyzing the site conditions. We will do this using topographical maps, various land use plans, the master and site plans, as well as USDA soil analysis, critical habitat maps, historic and cultural resource maps, and wetland and floodplain maps to ensure that we're developing an appropriate area. We will use all of this data in the development plan to go back and finalize the system design, as well as build an appropriate financial model. I'm looking forward to see where we go with this project and to see what the other teams come up with. Thank you.
Hello. Hi, my name is Delano Dunbar. I'm going to be producing the financial model for solar design project for Ball State University. The financial analysis will be based on the competition criteria provided by the organizers. My plan is going to be to provide accurate and detailed figures for the project to help prove its monetary value over time. In order to be successful, I'm going to need to consider all three phases of the design: the conceptual design, the development planning. I'm going to need to know the panel and inverter cost, construction cost, even land cost, just to name a few. Currently, I'm researching Indiana, Michigan Power Company, utility rates for Muncie, Indiana. This is going to be helpful when we look to implement our modified distribution system. Now, once all this information has been collected, I'm going to compile it into a 20-year power purchase agreement, and it's going to outline some of the details such as the sale of energy, the access rights, installation and operation of the project itself. Now, I'm really excited for this opportunity provided by NREL and the Department of Energy. I think it's really going to expose our team and myself to some really valuable knowledge and skills as we prepare for our future careers. Thank you.